Indian celebrations of the 76th Republic Day started with the Prime Minister paying homage to the fallen soldiers at the National War Memorial in Delhi. The 15th Prime Minister, in his third consecutive term, signed the ceremonial book at the National War Memorial and then proceeded to Kartavya Path to dispense his duties as the leader of the nation, celebrating the Republic Day with the President of India.
माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी का आगमन और उनके साथ हमारे मुख्य अतिथि इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो.
The Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto adorned the position of the chief guest of the 76th Republic Day celebrations. The President unfurled the national flag, followed by national anthem and 21-gun salute. Parade Commander and General Officer Commanding Delhi Area, Lieutenant General Bhavneesh Kumar led the parade, followed by Parade Second in Command and Chief of Staff, Headquarters Delhi Area, Major General Sumit Mehta. Winners of the highlighted gallantry awards, including the Paramveer Chakra and the Ashok Chakra, followed the parade commander. History was made in a rare coincidence when a father-son duo participated in the parade. 25-year-old Lieutenant Ahan Kumar led the contingent of the iconic 61 Cavalry on Kartavya Path, following the footsteps of his father, Lieutenant General Bhavneesh Kumar, the parade commander. Showcasing India's cultural diversity, tableaus from 16 states and union territories and central government departments participated in the Republic Day parade.
सलामी मंच के सामने
In another first, the tri-services had a joint tableau symbolic of the spirit of unity among the country's armed forces.
तीनों सेनाओं के समन्वय और एकीकरण को बढ़ावा देने
DRDO is displaying Raksha.
The DRDO's tableau with the theme Raksha Kavach showcased multi-layered protection against multi-domain threats.
Now approaching the saluting days.
The 31 tableaus parade reflected modern Indian rooted deep in its cultural heritage.
The Indonesian National Armed Forces TNI
A
showcased
352-member marching and band contingent from Indonesia on the Kartavya Path was the strong show of Indian ties with the island nation of Southeast Asia.
Veliras, trumpets, flutes, all a part of the band.
Cultural performances by 5,000 artists at the Kartavya Path delighted around 10,000 special guests invited to witness the historic Republic Day parade, in the line with the government's objective to increase Jan Bhagidari in the events of national importance. Soon after, a video clip of Prime Minister Narendra Modi picking up a piece of litter from the ground at the Kartavya Path surfaced on social media, earning the Prime Minister a viral appreciation from the netizens for his Nirantar Kartavya Prayas. The Prime Minister was seen picking up waste on his way to receive the Vice President of India. With his actions, he led the country in celebrations of 76th Republic Day.